Studying is sometimes boring or hard to stay motivated. We have all been there, long hours, heavy books, and struggle to stay focused. In this video, we'll uncover how gamification transforms study session into something engaging and effective.
What motivated you to apply gamification learning in your teaching approach, and how do students respond to this?
When I use gamification in learning, I hope that my students can have better interaction and have better experiences in study, so they can get a happy moment after my study.
In your opinion, what are the main differences between traditional teaching and gamification teaching, and in both the outcomes and also
so maybe the gamification, of course, we need facilities, good facilities, maybe like an information system or application like using Zep or maybe Kahoot or something. In my experience, the student will get more excited and then following this study with a better experience. And if for the marks, maybe I think same, but I hope that they can get best experience in study, and then it motivate him or her and motivate them to get deep knowledge about the study that I get and I give. Sorry. Okay. So maybe I encourage them directly or indirectly. So when we study using Zep, and then I get. I make a story in Instagram, and then other lecturer just ask me what is that over there, and I give them are you using this or for that and something like that. And so other lecturer, I think they're following using the gamification also. So maybe because the good experience and feedback from students also.